dresses for your little princesses. Crafted with love and care, each cardigan boasts a delightful array of hues, from soft pastels to vibrant tones, sure to brighten up any day. Adorned with charming details like delicate floral patterns, sweet bows, and whimsical buttons, these outfits exude timeless charm and playful elegance. Whether she's attending a special occasion or simply enjoying a cozy day at home, our baby girls' knitted cardigans, outfits, and dresses